Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your TikTok account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your TikTok account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your TikTok application and click on the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see options for login. If you have used any of the methods for logging into your account before, you need to use the same method to log in. So click on the respective method. Here, I'm going to choose use phone, email or username option as I have used it before. Enter your email address and password. If you don't remember your password to your account, then you can tap on Forgot Password option. From there, you'll be able to create a new password and reset your password. After you're done typing in your email address and password, click on Login. You can see that you are now logged into your TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.